Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check disk health on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Your PC's hard disk is its central database. It's the place where you store all your files and documents for retrieval at a later time. Unfortunately, like everything else electronic, its life gets shortened with every passing day. So don't worry if your PC is fairly new to it won't be going bust anytime soon, but it's important you keep a close watch on its health so you can avoid any insusceptible crash and the resulting data loss it will bring. So in this video, I will show you how to check your disk health on your PC or laptop on Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's very simple. So first, you can just go to disk management by clicking right on the start menu. Now you can select on disk management. So in here you can check all your disk health like the layout, type, file system status, capacity, and free space. You can check all in here. It's very simple, right? Like all the partition in here. I'm sorry. Can check for this partition for my disk C and my disk D, the layout and the status, health, recover partition, health. It's very simple, right? So you can check all your disk health in here. So that is how to check your disk health on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.